My name is Steve Rodriguez. Actually, I'm a family practice doctor, 40 years. Figured out there's already a cure for cancer, but nobody cares. So it's already built in. All you have to do is help it. On any account, this is a 500 Fiat E, 2015, the funnest car I've ever had. But the ball joint is out. And all the complexity. I saw a guy doing this and that beam had to come out. But you have to take off the bumper and get these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The trickiest part is are these little line-up clamps. You see them? They go in there. Oops. And you gotta really finagle them out or you'll tear this. I tore one. It's a Chinese, it's just like a Chinese water torture. It is so complicated, but on any account, I'm trying to get to that bolt right there. It's trapped in there by this beam here. And it's complicated. On any account, so you can see what I've done. I have some roofers working on the house. They did all of that while I was doing this. Incredible. On any account, if everybody could get some sleep, there will be peace. If everybody could get some sleep, there'll be peace. Sleep is the cure for cancer, PTSD. It's just that simple. Have a wonderful day.